in just a moment. Hold it closely, don't ever expose it. When it come to knowledge, I don't ever loan it. Hold a conversation to my folks, let them know the lowdown. Don't act scared, my words is like the war now. Take them in that zone, blowing up heavy, chirp my phone, let my verse down. Lay the pen down on the microphone, sleeping on my head, nightmares and dreams now. When I was breaking chain, they heard my name, kid, under the crown, don't mistake for the fame. No apology, trouble coming your way. Better duck down without no drama. I let the cater spray, my mentality a change. Driven animal released from a cage, a gift from being a slave, maintaining a pay rate. And I'm devastated how they get their mans caught up and twisted. I thought that I was done with this shit. I took it like a test and I passed it and it seemed like a chance. No time for second guessing. I'm on a timeless chase, only my high benefiting and I'm winning. Middle finger in the air. Society of rinse a menace and my sins, leaving love behind these tinted lens. And I'm feeling the veins. Desperate measures turn grown men into little boys. Turn pages for a legend. Let me jump off stage. Quite selling the phrase. My rap sell for the slang. On the block of my b-boy stance. Hip hop hoodie in my d-boys rap. Woo! I'm on the corner like pussy slanging. Dragging any nigga, bag 'em. Scale 'em up and flip 'em. I need bail money to get 'em out of prison. Hell no question. I'm on a quest. I got a story to tell. Familiar with the connoisseurs. Eating up the flesh like a carnivore. Shell cases drop. Homicide in the streets. Get shorty. Get her connects. To put the money on the beat. Brought to you by the industry bully. Scully on fully loaded clip. Extreme McFully. Using out and popping the tool. Dropping the jewel. Mouth full off the bulb tires. Snitches under the radar. Your niggas are all wild. Make it before the child cares. Now I might have to be here for a while. I might as well make the best of it while I'm killing it. You feeling some type of way? A smile only brighten up your day. And I'm sober as shit, so say goodbye to the bad guy. I find my way out the struggle, so I suggest you buckle down. Bulletproof, the hustle, so it's going down. That was the proof for a new lease on the life, holding the peace. Harvesting my chief, till life cheated me out the game, and now I'm a beast. I prep for the score, in it at halftime. I'm in it for the long haul, no waiting to get mine. Breaded these MCs with one written line. When was only my chance to spit a rhyme, just to let them know. Hype died down when your name glow, with the game maintaining the shot. Hip can't miss with the target showing on.